Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for some colored pencils, I highly recommend these ones from Crayola. These are their silly scents, and they have a ton of different scents here. They have everything from cherry to licorice. My favorite is the cotton candy. I think that one smells really good. It also comes in this great little case here, and it does have a cover that goes over, and you can just pull this back so that your kids can easily access this. It stands up on its own, and you can see all of these are easily able to be pulled out, and you can see all of the colors. And then I also really like that it's mechanical, so the bottom here you just twist and it comes up. So really easy to use for even toddlers, young ones that are learning to draw and color. I would say that these have been a great addition to our art supply. My son really likes them. I like them. The fact that they smell good is an extra little bonus, but that's just my point of view.